Are you looking for the best juicing fruits and vegetable? In this video we will look at some of the best juicing fruits and vegetable on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Portable Juicer, 33 ounces, vessel, USB-C rechargeable. A refreshing drink made with fresh fruit or vegetables has the power to change the way your day feels, and having the right juicer makes it even easier to enjoy. This portable juicer is designed to bring convenience and joy into your lifestyle without complicating your routine. With a 33-ounce vessel, it allows you to prepare enough juice not only for yourself but also to share with someone you care about. The rechargeable design with modern Type-C charging means you can take it anywhere, whether you are heading to work, the gym, or simply relaxing outdoors. Its smooth performance turns fruits and vegetables into delicious drinks that keep you feeling energized and refreshed. Cleaning is simple, which makes it perfect for people who value both taste and comfort in their busy schedules. Instead of depending on store-bought juices filled with additives, you can create your own natural blends that suit your mood and taste. The compact size and lightweight build make it easy to carry without adding extra burden. This is not just a tool for making juice. It is a small daily luxury that inspires healthier choices while saving time. Owning it means enjoying freshness anytime, anywhere. Number 2. Household Grade Mixer, Juicer Blender. Creating a smooth and delicious drink at home brings a sense of comfort that no store-bought option can match. This household grade mixer is crafted for people who love freshness and want control over what they drink every day. The 10-volt power ensures a consistent blending experience, making it easy to turn fruits, vegetables, or even ice into creamy textures that taste just right. With its countertop-friendly design, it becomes a reliable part of your kitchen, always ready to deliver energy-boosting smoothies or refreshing juices. For those who live a busy lifestyle, having a professional smoothie maker at home means saving both money and time while still enjoying the luxury of freshly prepared beverages. It gives you the freedom to create drinks that match your exact taste, whether that is something light and fruity in the morning or a rich, satisfying blend after a workout. Using it does not feel like a task. Instead, it feels like a step toward healthier choices without sacrificing flavor. Owning this blender adds a touch of simplicity to your routine, turning ordinary ingredients into extraordinary drinks. It is not just about blending, it is about creating a moment of freshness that makes every sip more enjoyable. Number 3. 450 ml USB rechargeable household portable blender. A fresh smoothie or shake can instantly lift your mood and give your body the energy it needs. And with this 450 ml portable blender, you can enjoy that feeling anytime. Its compact personal-sized design makes it easy to carry wherever life takes you, whether that is to work, the gym, or even a picnic outdoors. The rechargeable system powered by modern Type-C connection means you never have to worry about being tied to one place, giving you the freedom to blend fresh drinks whenever you need them. This handy fruit mixer cup turns everyday moments into something special. Instead of buying drinks filled with sugar and preservatives, you can make your own blends with simple ingredients that match your taste and lifestyle. It feels effortless to use, and the process of making your favorite shake or juice becomes enjoyable rather than a chore. The smooth texture it delivers makes every sip more satisfying, keeping you refreshed and full of energy. Owning this mini juicer cup is more than just having a blender. It is about choosing convenience, health, and taste all at once. Every time you use it, you create a drink that feels fresh, natural, and made just for you. Number 4. Portable Electric Juicer Blender USB Mini Fruit. Enjoying a glass of freshly prepared juice or a creamy milkshake can completely transform your day, and with this portable electric juicer blender, that experience becomes easier and more enjoyable. Designed in a compact size, it allows you to create refreshing drinks wherever you go, whether at home, in the office, or during travel. The rechargeable function gives you freedom from traditional setups, letting you prepare smoothies and shakes without limits. This mini fruit mixer feels more than just an appliance. It feels like a daily companion that encourages healthier choices. Instead of relying on packaged juices that often lose their natural goodness, you can prepare your own blends full of freshness and flavor. From energizing fruit juices to satisfying milkshakes, it gives you the power to enjoy exactly what you crave in the moment. The simple design makes it comfortable to handle, and the process of making your favorite drink feels effortless. It is not just about mixing ingredients, it is about creating a personal treat that matches your lifestyle. Every sip feels pure, natural, and refreshing. Having this multifunction juice maker machine brings a touch of convenience to everyday life while making healthy living both easy and enjoyable. Number 5. Juicer USB Rechargeable Wireless Mini Blender. A fresh smoothie or juice can brighten any moment, and with this portable juicer you can enjoy that feeling whenever you want. The lightweight design with a clear glass cup gives it a modern look while keeping it practical for daily use. Being rechargeable through a universal Type-C connection, it removes the hassle of cords and plugs, giving you the freedom to blend anywhere, from your kitchen to your office desk or even during travel. This wireless mini smoothie blender is more than just a drink maker, it is a small lifestyle upgrade that helps you choose freshness over packaged options. Preparing your own juice means you know exactly what goes into your body, whether it is a refreshing fruit blend in the morning or a creamy shake after exercise. The smooth performance ensures your ingredients turn into delicious drinks that feel pure and natural with every sip. Owning this electric juicer machine adds a touch of convenience to everyday routines while encouraging healthier habits. It feels effortless to use, simple to clean, and always ready when you need a quick boost. Every time you pour into the glass cup, you are not just making a drink, you are creating a refreshing experience that feels made just for you.